Tomorrow onwards, you are going to start Jana Sampark Jatra.
From day after tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.
From day after tomorrow, we are going for a massive 12-day Jana Ashirvad Yatra that will cover every part of Assam, including Brahmaputra Valley, Barak Valley, hills, every part of Assam. We'll try to explain what we did for the people of Assam in last 5 years, and we'll also seek blessings of the people for next 5 years.
So is this the first phase Yatra?
This Yatra will continue in between when Prime Minister will come. It will halt for 3 to 4 days. Then again it will recommence from 15th again. First phase 28 to 2nd, 3rd and 4th for Holi it will stop. From 5th to 10th continuously. Then for Prime Minister visit 4 days there will be no Yatra. Again from 15 it will start.